Welcome to this presentation on the GitOps Applications module of the Service Foundry Console. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how this feature simplifies managing Kubernetes applications using GitOps principles, installing, updating, and removing applications directly from your Git repositories with a few clicks. This is the GitOps Applications menu in the Service Foundry Console. It provides a central view of all application definitions saved in Git, whether they are currently installed on the cluster or not. For already installed applications, users can track their versions and manage updates. For uninstalled applications, you can reinstall them with one click or choose to delete the application definition and related manifest files permanently from Git. This approach ensures that your Git repository remains the single source of truth for application deployments. This screen shows the GitHub repository where the GitOps applications are stored. Here, we see two versions of the Hotel Spring example application, version 0.1.0 and the newer 0.2.0. Let's assume that version 0.1.0 is deprecated and no longer in use. In this case, the user can clean up the repository by removing the older version. To do that, the user doesn't need to manually edit this repository. Instead, they can go back to the Service Foundry Console's GitOps Applications menu. From there, they can easily select the older version, uninstall it from the cluster, and permanently delete both the application file and its associated Kubernetes manifest files from the Git repository. This keeps your GitOps repo clean and ensures you're only tracking active applications. This workflow reinforces the GitOps principle of declarative, version-controlled deployments, while offering flexibility and control through the ServiceFoundry UI. This page shows both versions of the Hotel Spring example app. Since version 0.1.0 is outdated, we can easily delete it by clicking the trash icon. This removes the app and its resources from the Git repository. This is the GitOps Application Details page. After reviewing the Argo CD manifest, if we decide this version is no longer needed, we can simply click the Delete GitOps Files button in the top right to clean up the application file and its related resources from the Git repository. Now the old version has been removed. Only the latest Hotel Spring example version, 0.2.0, remains in our GitOps Applications list, keeping the environment clean and up to date. This GitHub screen shows that the old version of the application manifest and its Kubernetes files have been successfully deleted. Only the latest version, 0.2.0, remains in the repository after the cleanup.